Are you a senior living with chronic kidney disease, feeling overwhelmed by strict dietary rules and complex meal preparation? Do you worry about sacrificing flavor or convenience to stay healthy? Don't despair, because managing your health through delicious food doesn't have to be a chore. Discover 5 incredibly simple, one-pot, kidney-friendly meals designed specifically for busy seniors seeking convenience without sacrificing their crucial health goals. These easy recipes can help you prepare nourishing, satisfying dishes that balance flavor, nutrition, and ease, making healthy eating both accessible and enjoyable, even on the busiest days. Number 1. Crunchy lemon-herbed chicken skillet. Crafting a delicious and kidney-friendly meal can be surprisingly simple with a crunchy lemon-herbed chicken skillet. To begin, gather your ingredients. Boneless, skinless chicken thighs or breasts cut into bite-sized pieces, fresh green beans or bell peppers, garlic, onion powder, dried herbs like oregano and thyme, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, and a touch of olive oil. In a large skillet, heat the olive oil over medium heat, then add the chicken, browning it gently before adding the vegetables. Allow everything to cook until the chicken is tender and the vegetables are crisp tender. Then stir in the herbs, garlic, and a generous squeeze of lemon. To create a lower sodium and lower phosphorus meal, always opt for fresh, unprocessed chicken and vegetables. Instead of relying on salty marinades or broths, build flavor with a variety of fresh herbs and spices like dill, parsley, rosemary, and a touch of black pepper. You can also rinse canned vegetables thoroughly if using them, though fresh is always preferred for optimal kidney health. Be mindful of added phosphates in packaged foods and choose natural ingredients whenever possible to keep phosphorus levels in check. This versatile dish offers numerous customization ideas to suit your unique tastes and available kitchen tools. For an added crunch, consider sprinkling a small amount of low-sodium breadcrumbs mixed with a bit of olive oil over the top in the last few minutes of cooking. If you prefer a different texture, you could swap green beans for thinly sliced zucchini or asparagus. This recipe works beautifully on any stovetop, but can also be adapted for an oven by transferring the skillet contents to a baking dish and baking until cooked through, offering flexibility for your cooking style. When serving this delightful skillet, pair it with a small portion of white rice or pasta for a complete meal, ensuring portion control to manage carbohydrates and calories. For storage, allow any leftovers to cool completely before transferring them to an airtight container. This meal will keep well in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, making it an excellent option for meal prepping and enjoying throughout the week without additional cooking. Now, let's explore another comforting one-pot wonder that brings classic flavors to your table with a kidney-friendly twist. Number 2. Baked potato soup. Embrace classic comfort in a wonderfully convenient one-pot format with this kidney-friendly baked potato soup. Start by boiling peeled and diced white potatoes until tender, then drain and lightly mash them directly in the pot, leaving some chunks for texture. Sauté finely chopped onions and celery in a separate pan with a little olive oil until translucent, then add them back to the pot with the potatoes. Gradually stir in a low-sodium, low-potassium chicken or vegetable broth, aiming for a creamy consistency that is not too thick. Finish with a hint of garlic powder, onion powder, and a generous amount of fresh chives for a truly comforting aroma and taste. Adjusting and swapping ingredients is key to tailoring this soup to strict dietary guidelines for kidney health. Instead of high-potassium regular potatoes, white potatoes are a good choice due to their lower potassium content, especially if pre-soaked. For creaminess, without excess phosphorus or potassium, use a small amount of non-dairy milk alternative like rice milk, or blend a portion of the soup to thicken it naturally. You can also add a small amount of finely shredded low-sodium, low-phosphorus cheese, such as Swiss or Monterey Jack, in moderation for extra flavor, always checking labels carefully. This versatile soup can be prepared using various cooking methods, making it adaptable to your kitchen setup. While excellent when cooked on the stovetop, allowing the flavors to meld gently over medium-low heat, it also transitions beautifully to a slow cooker. If using a slow cooker, combine all ingredients, except any dairy alternatives which should be added near the end, and cook on low for 3 to 4 hours, or until the potatoes are tender and easily mashed. This method is perfect for hands-off cooking, freeing up your time. When it comes to nutrition pointers, managing potassium and sodium is paramount in this soup. Potatoes can be high in potassium, so ensuring proper portion sizes and preparing them by peeling and boiling them twice, discarding the first water, can help reduce their potassium content. Always use low-sodium broths and avoid adding extra salt, relying instead on herbs and spices like dried parsley, chives, and a touch of white pepper for flavor. Monitoring your fluid intake is also crucial, so consult your dietitian for personalized guidelines. Our next meal offers incredible flexibility and can be whipped up in minutes. Number 3, simple vegetable stir-fry with tofu or chicken. A simple vegetable stir-fry offers a fast and incredibly flexible recipe to use seasonal vegetables, ensuring you get a variety of nutrients while adhering to kidney-friendly guidelines. Begin by choosing a colorful array of low-potassium vegetables such as bell peppers, red, green, yellow, onions, water chestnuts, bamboo shoots, and green beans. Chop them into uniform pieces to ensure even cooking. In a large skillet or wok, heat a small amount of kidney-friendly oil, like olive oil or canola oil. Add your chosen vegetables and stir-fry until they are crisp tender, maintaining their vibrant color and fresh texture. To keep potassium and phosphorus in check, focus on fresh or frozen, without added sauces or sodium, vegetables. High potassium vegetables like spinach, tomatoes, and mushrooms should be used in very small quantities or avoided if your potassium levels are a concern. For flavor, create a simple sauce using low-sodium soy sauce or a no-salt-added alternative, a splash of rice vinegar, a teaspoon of sugar, and fresh ginger and garlic. Avoid store-bought stir-fry sauces, which are often laden with sodium and phosphates. This homemade approach gives you full control over the ingredients. For balanced protein options, both tofu and chicken are excellent kidney-friendly choices for your stir-fry. If using firm or extra-firm tofu, press it first to remove excess water, then cube and pan-fry until golden before adding to the vegetables. This gives it a pleasant texture. If opting for chicken, slice boneless, skinless chicken breast into thin strips and stir-fry it separately or alongside the vegetables until thoroughly cooked. Both provide high-quality protein necessary for maintaining muscle mass without overloading the kidneys when consumed in appropriate portions. When it comes to portion and reheating strategies for leftovers, serving your stir-fry over a small portion of white rice or rice noodles ensures a balanced meal that aligns with your dietary needs. For convenience, divide the cooked stir-fry into individual airtight containers once it has cooled. This makes for quick, grab-and-go meals throughout the week. Reheat gently in a microwave or on the stovetop until warmed through. This stir-fry is a fantastic way to enjoy a quick, flavorful, and kidney-conscious meal. Ready for an even quicker meal? Our next option takes just minutes. Number 4, 2-minute omelet pan. Imagine a quick, protein-rich meal with customizable fillings that takes mere minutes to prepare, the 2-minute omelet pan. Start by whisking 2 eggs with a tablespoon of water or kidney-friendly milk, alternative until well combined. Heat a non-stick pan with a tiny bit of olive oil over medium heat. Pour in the egg mixture, allowing it to set slightly around the edges. Then, quickly add your desired kidney-friendly fillings, such as finely diced bell peppers, onions, or a small amount of fresh parsley or chives. Cook until the eggs are set to your liking, then fold and serve. It's truly that fast. When selecting kidney-friendly dairy and cheese alternatives for your omelet, choose wisely. Instead of traditional cow's milk, consider unsweetened rice milk or almond milk, which are lower in potassium and phosphorus. For cheese, opt for very small amounts of Swiss cheese, Monterey Jack, or even a non-dairy cheese alternative if available, and low in sodium and phosphorus. Always read labels carefully to ensure no hidden phosphates or excessive sodium. The key is moderation and making informed choices that support your kidney health without compromising on flavor. To make meal preparation even more efficient, consider how to batch cook or prep ingredients ahead of time. You can pre-chop your bell peppers and onions and store them in small containers in the refrigerator, ready to be added to your omelet. If you find yourself frequently making omelets, you can even pre-whisk eggs for a day or two and store them covered in the fridge, saving precious minutes during busy mornings. This foresight makes quick meals genuinely quick and accessible whenever hunger strikes. This versatile omelet can truly serve as breakfast, lunch, or a quick dinner, adapting effortlessly to your daily schedule. For breakfast, enjoy it with a side of kidney-friendly fruit like apples or blueberries. For lunch or dinner, pair it with a small, simple green salad dressed with olive oil and vinegar, ensuring a balanced meal. Its adaptability and speed make it an indispensable tool for busy seniors managing a kidney-friendly diet. Now, let's explore a hearty and flavorful dish that reimagines beans for kidney health. Number 5, hearty apple cider bean skillet. Discover a delightful blend of sweet and savory with the hearty apple cider bean skillet, a truly unique and kidney-friendly one-pot meal. Begin by sautéing finely chopped onions and bell peppers in a large skillet with a touch of olive oil until softened. Add rinsed and drained low-sodium canned cannellini or Great Northern beans. Then pour in a small amount of unsweetened apple cider and a splash of low-sodium vegetable broth, allowing the flavors to meld. A touch of kidney-friendly brown sugar or maple syrup can enhance the sweetness, balancing the savory elements. Including beans safely within kidney diet parameters requires careful consideration of their potassium and phosphorus content. Choosing lighter-colored beans like cannellini or Great Northern beans, which are generally lower in potassium than darker varieties, is a good start. Always rinse canned beans thoroughly under running water before use to reduce their sodium content significantly. Portion control is also vital. Even kidney-friendly foods should be consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Consult with a dietitian to determine the appropriate serving sizes for your individual needs. To truly elevate the flavor of this bean skillet, incorporate various flavor boosters such as fresh herbs and low-sodium seasonings. Fresh dill, parsley, or sage can add depth and aroma without extra sodium. A pinch of garlic powder, onion powder, or a dash of black pepper can enhance the savory notes. Avoid high-sodium spice blends or pre-made sauces. The natural sweetness of the apple cider combined with aromatic herbs creates a comforting and satisfying dish that proves kidney-friendly meals can be rich in flavor. This skillet is also excellent for meal prep and offers caregiver-friendly modifications. Prepare a larger batch and divide it into individual portions to store in the refrigerator for up to 3 days or freeze for longer storage. For caregivers, the simplicity of this one-pot meal means less time spent cooking and more time caring. Ingredients are widely available and preparation is straightforward, making it an ideal choice for ensuring seniors have nutritious, kidney-friendly options readily available. Key principles of a kidney-friendly diet. Understanding the core principles of a kidney-friendly diet is paramount for managing chronic kidney disease effectively. This includes careful management of sodium, potassium, and phosphorus intake. Reducing sodium helps control blood pressure and fluid retention, while moderating potassium is crucial to prevent dangerous heart rhythm issues. Managing phosphorus is essential to protect bones and blood vessels from calcification, which can occur when phosphorus levels are too high. The importance of protein control cannot be overstated, as consuming too much protein can put an added strain on the kidneys. However, too little protein can lead to muscle wasting, so finding the right balance with your healthcare team is vital. Hydration guidance, tailored to individual fluid restrictions, is also a key component, ensuring adequate fluid intake without causing fluid overload. Working closely with a registered dietitian specializing in kidney health is highly recommended. They can provide personalized dietary plans, educate you on food choices, and help you navigate the complexities of nutrient management, ensuring your diet meets your specific medical needs and preferences. Their expertise is invaluable in creating a sustainable and enjoyable eating plan. It is crucial to remember the importance of adapting recipes to individual needs and always consulting with healthcare professionals, including your doctor and dietitian, before making any significant dietary changes. Every person's kidney health journey is unique, and personalized advice ensures the safest and most effective approach to nutrition. Quick tips for busy seniors and caregivers. For busy seniors and their caregivers, implementing strategies like batch cooking and proper freezing instructions can be a game changer. Dedicate one day a week to prepare larger quantities of these one-pot meals, dividing them into individual portions and freezing them for quick access throughout the week, significantly reducing daily cooking time. Using adaptive tools to reduce prep time can also make a significant difference. Simple gadgets like a vegetable chopper, ergonomic peeler, or a lightweight skillet can ease physical strain and speed up the cooking process, making meal preparation more enjoyable and less tiring. Keeping a well-stocked pantry with essential kidney-friendly staples is another time saver. Think low-sodium broths, herbs, spices, olive oil, white rice, and select low-potassium canned beans, ensuring you always have the basics on hand for a quick meal. Finally, embracing time-saving cooking and cleanup advice, such as using parchment paper for easy cleanup in skillet meals, or opting for one-pot recipes like those shared, minimizes dishwashing. This integrated approach ensures that healthy eating remains stress-free and manageable. Embracing quick and wholesome kidney-friendly meals can truly empower busy seniors to maintain their health, energy, and independence. With the right recipes and simple techniques, eating well with chronic kidney disease doesn't have to be time-consuming or complicated. These 5 one-pot dishes offer delicious solutions that fit seamlessly into a busy lifestyle, proving that nourishing your body can be both easy and incredibly satisfying. If you found these kidney-friendly one-pot meals useful, we encourage you to share this article with friends and family who might benefit. Subscribe for more healthy cooking tips designed for seniors, or leave a comment below with your favorite recipe adaptations. Support our mission to make healthy eating easy and enjoyable for everyone.